If you ever wanted to switch up your eye color but you weren't sure which shade would look best on you, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to choose the perfect color contacts based on your skin tone. Whether you're looking for a subtle enhancement or a bold transformation, I've got you covered, so let's dive in. First things first, before we get into color choices, let's talk about skin undertones. You might have heard people say they have warm, cool, or neutral skin tones, but what does that actually mean? A quick way to find yours is by looking at the veins on your wrist. If they appear blue or purple, you're likely to have cool undertones. If it's hard to tell, you're likely neutral, and that means you're a mix of both. If they look greenish, then you probably have warm undertones. Alright, now let's talk about choosing the right pair of contacts. If you have warm toned skin, think golden, olive, or deep brown, as these colors will enhance your natural glow. You can try shades like hazel, honey brown, and warm greens, as these colors will complement golden undertones beautifully. You can also try amber and caramel shades for a natural radiant effect. Try avoiding icy or grayish tones, as they can appear too stark and clash with warm skin tones. Now moving on to cool skin tones. If your skin has pink or blue undertones, you'll want to lean into cooler shades that'll enhance your natural complexion. You can try shades like icy blue, gray, and soft violets, as these shades bring out the coolness in your skin beautifully. And if you want a softer everyday look, definitely try ash brown or light hazel. Try to avoid overly warm shades like honey or amber, as they might contrast too much and look unnatural. Last but not least, neutral skin tones. If you have neutral undertones, meaning you're a mix of both cool and warm, then lucky you, because you can pull off almost any shade. You can try colors like brown, gray, green, and blue, because almost all shades will complement your skin tone. And you should definitely experiment with bold colors like sapphire blue, amethyst, or even a fun pink. Since you're right in the middle, it's all about personal preference, so if you want to stick with something more natural, then you can try browns and grays, and if you wanted something more bold, then try blues or greens. Remember that colored contacts aren't just about eye color, but it's also about self-expression, so definitely have fun experimenting. Don't forget to check out our lens quiz on our site, where you'll also find more videos and guides on how to choose the perfect color contacts for you. See you in the next video!